pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers. Cheap movers. Brockton, local and long distance. Movers near me. Our in-depth familiarity with the geography of Brockton and our experience with local relocations makes 3 Movers one of the best local moving companies in Brockton. Both first-time and repeat movers, such as military personnel, will benefit from using 3 Movers. Our expertise guarantees that your belongings remain intact during the relocation process, and our acquaintance with the region plays an essential part in your selection, depending on the area of the city you choose to live in. At 3 Movers, we also offer consultation services to help you budget accordingly for the move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Brockton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.